Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family who is living big with less. And today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about kids' crafts. Now, I am not crafty at all. I'm not artsy. That's just not my jam. But God has blessed me with 3 little girls who totally are craft obsessed. So over the years, I have picked up some ways that I can manage craft really quickly and easily while still allowing them the freedom to be as creative as they like. So I'm going to share with you exactly how I declutter these items, especially during the school holidays when we're getting craft out every single day, how I keep it organized, what types of products I like to keep, and how I keep that really to a minimalist amount, but the creativity is endless. So if you have kids crafts, or if you are a crafty person yourself, grab a cuppa, let's sit down and declutter and organize kids craft.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season.
So although this has nothing to do with getting my craft under control, before I take on any big decluttering or organizing project, I like to make sure that all the main areas of our house are clean. And as you can see, this room was getting a full-on workout. We had a major spill. It's the middle of school holidays and all of the things are happening out here. So I am just going through and giving this a really quick clean so that I have a fresh, clean surface to work from before I start decluttering. So I often get asked what I use to clean my benches, and I have been using Pino Clean, but I've just recently gone back to my DIY cleaner, which is just water, vinegar, and a little bit of dishwashing liquid. I just find it's really great disinfectant, and it's also really good at not leaving that sticky residue on my benches. I have collected all of the craft things from across our home. I've got the kids' craft caddy. I've got their stationery bucket. I also bought out our party or birthday bucket just because sometimes craft things get mixed in with that. And I also have the girls' hair bucket because I'm going to change out the basket for the Lego. This method of getting everything out I think is really good. But if you're easily overwhelmed, there's no need to get everything out at one time and you can just do it bit by bit. But if you are working on a specific thing, whether it be craft or scrapbooking or toys, I do find sometimes it's easier if you can see everything in one go. I noticed as I was editing this video that I look really grumpy the whole time. It was really glary outside on this particular day, and so I actually am super pumped to be decluttering. It's just that it's super sunny outside, but this was a great place to do it because the girls had a lot of craft out already, and it gave me an opportunity to go through and have a look. I'm a little bit unconventional when it comes to crafts and any sorts of sort of artistic things that we decide to keep. My girls tend to prefer to do their own thing. They're not that into coloring books and that sort of thing. So I always make sure we have heaps of empty scrapbooks with just plain white paper inside, as well as heaps of plain paper. That way they can paint or draw or make their own creations, whatever they are feeling inspired to do.
Just the way you came, don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down.
I use this green basket as my craft overflow basket. It's also where I keep items that I don't want the kids to have unlimited access to. So we keep our paints with it, anything we need for painting, as well as Play-Doh and spare craft supplies. That way I know that the kids will come and grab me if they need something out of that box, and I can help them set it up.
On high, and you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you can.
Pens and pencils are a tricky one for me because I know that the girls, and in fact all the kids, use pens and pencils all the time, but I try and just keep the best quality pens and pencils, and any of like those cheaper ones that are sort of broken inside we're letting go of, and just making sure that all of the pens actually work that are in the pencil cases.
Just the way we are.
I'm going to be honest guys, I used to be terrified of letting my kids paint, but I found that using the little containers that if you buy Craft Project, the paint for that makes a great way to just squeeze a small amount in. I use old towels and some of my husband's old business shirts, and I keep everything together so that whenever we're going to do painting, I can just grab the box, set it up outside, and the kids can go to town, and then it's quick and easy to clean up.
Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are, just the way you are, oh, just the way you are.
One of the biggest reasons I wanted to get a plastic outdoor table was because I knew we were going to really use this guy to his full potential, and that there was going to be lots of craft and activities going on outside. The thing I love about it is I can either wash it down with a hose, or using just some multi-purpose spray, I can get rid of all of that paint and it will come up looking perfect again. If this was a wooden table, that paint would have stained it, but being plastic, it just wipes straight off, and I can be really relaxed about letting the kids go to town out here.
By myself, I'm gonna start over new.
Here's how everything looked at the end. We have our stationery basket, the kids' craft and Lego trolley, my storage craft, and my party box. I'm going to put these all the way into the cupboard, but I'm so glad that they're back to organize and easy for the kids to find what they need and make the most out of these craft supplies.
I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I.
So guys, a lot of you have asked me if all of our kids are minimalist, and some of them definitely are, but I thought I would show you how my sweet little 6-year-old girl made her bed this morning.
Leave it all behind. Find myself.
think this is like almost every toy she owns.
Now.
So guys, I hope you like this video. I would love to chat with you down in the comments. If you're new here, we would absolutely love you to have you subscribe and join our YouTube family. Here are some other videos we think you might like, and I will catch you guys in the next one.